Welcome back, everyone. I'm super excited to share this amazing church stage design from Jono Gardner at Legacy Church of God in Wichita Falls, Texas. This innovative idea for Coroplast trees will blow you away, trust me. So, let's dive into how Jono brought these rugged designs to life. He started by ordering 4-foot 8 inches sheets of Coroplast, a versatile and affordable material perfect for creating large-scale installations like this. When the materials arrived, he took them outside and projected various Christmas tree silhouettes on the sheets using his projector. Next, he carefully traced out each design with precision, making sure every line was sharp and defined. Then came the fun part, cutting. Using just an ordinary box cutter, Jono cut out 3 unique tree shapes in different heights, 6 feet tall, 8 feet tall, and even some towering at an incredible 14 feet high. Now here's where things get really creative. To attach these massive trees to the wall without any visible supports or hardware, all it took were a few strategically placed staples. And let me tell you, those LED lights shining down from above? Absolutely breathtaking. But wait, there's more. The taller trees required 2 sheets of Coroplast each, but cleverly lining them up made it impossible to notice. I mean, who needs extra materials when you can be that resourceful? And what about the leftover material? Jono didn't waste a single sheet. He used the remaining pieces to create a beautiful JY sign with an adorable manger scene nestled inside one of the O's. He even went ahead and strung Christmas lights across the floor for added ambience. Now here are some numbers. This entire project cost around $150. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.